How to fix Facebook login code problem. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide on how you can fix your Facebook login code problem. Now, if you are getting the error on login code, or if you're not being able to log in for not receiving the code, now here are certain things that you can try. The first thing is your number. Now, make sure you are on the place where there is network, and so that you'll be able to receive the code. And if you are receiving the code, the second thing what you want to do is check in your spam messages. Simply open up your messaging on your device here and then head on to the spam option there, or the spam and blocked option there, and if the code is been blocked or spammed, you can search in here, and you can, if it is here, you can copy the code and you can head into your login page and enter the code and log in. The other thing what you can try is getting verification code via your email. Now, you must have probably verified your account and added email account to your Facebook account. So what you can do is, if you're not getting the login code and if you're getting the error on your phone number, what you can do is simply head in to the Gmail and select the get verification code via email option and get it there, and you can log into your account. The other thing what you want to make sure is, while you type in your phone number, make sure you have typed in the correct phone number. And even if you are not able to do so, what you can do is head into your browser, and here on browser you can head into Facebook support contact. Now, simply searching for Facebook support, and you can head into the first link, the Facebook help center, or you can head into a help center and you can contact Facebook support to be able to log into your account. So this is the way you can fix Facebook login code problem. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.